What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Zudako, your channel for everything happening in the world of AI. Today's episode is packed. We have got OpenAI's Codex finally landing on Windows. Cloud just got a voice mode. Google dropped their fastest and cheapest model ever. An Honor robot literally moonwalked at MWC. Your burner account online is no longer as anonymous as you think, and saving the best for last. Something build a spy satellite simulator inside a browser over a single weekend using AI. Zero hand written code. Lost to cover solid store. First up, great news for Windows developers. OpenAI's Codex coding agent is now officially available as a native Windows app through the Microsoft Store. Previously, it was locked to Mac users, the command line and VS Code only. Windows uses were completely left out, which was a real frustration given how many developers run Windows machines. Not everyone gets access to the full experience. For those unfamiliar, Codex is not just AI autocomplete. It's an engine of agentic coding tool machine. It can actually read your files, write code, run terminal commands, and debug error on its own. Think of it as a junior developer working alongside you inside your editor. This is a straight forward but important move by OpenAI. A tool this powerful should be available across platforms, and now it's finally is. If you are a Windows developer, head to the Microsoft Store and grab it today. Anthropic just added something really interesting to Claude Code voice mode. Here's how it works. You type the command voice and then you just speak out loud. Tell Cloud Code what you want it to do, and it does it. No typing out long prompts, just talk. Right now, it's live for 5% of users with a full rollout planned over the coming weeks. Think about what was this actually means in practice. Cloud Code is already one of the most capable autonomous coding tools available. It can write, navigate, and execute. Now you layer voice on top of that. You are literally having a spoken conversation with your development environment. Hey Claude, fix the bug in the login function, and done. This is where AI developer tools are heading, right? And it's moving fast. If you are a Claude Code user, keep checking your interface. Your voice mode could unlock any day now. Okay. Google just entered the chat in a big way. They released Gemini 3.1 FLASH-LITE, and the numbers are genuinely impressive. Speed, it is 2.5 times faster than the previous 2.5 Flash mode. That is not incremental improvement. That is massive leap. Price 0.25 per million input tokens, extremely affordable, especially for developers building application at scale. And benchmarks, Google is claiming Gemini 3.1 FLASH-LITE outperforms GPT 4.0 Mini and Claude 4.5 Haiku on 6 out of 11 tested. Now, I always say take benchmark claims with some context because they don't always reflect real world use perfectly. but 6 out of 11 is meaningful number you can't just dismiss, right? uh, the bigger story here is what this tells about the AI race right now. It's no longer just about which model is the smartest. It's about who is the fastest and the most affordable thing, right? Google is clearly going after that market hard, and $250 per million tokens with 2.5x speed improvements. They are making a very loud statement on this. Okay, I need a moment to appreciate this one because it is genuinely amazing. Honor debuted their first ever humanoid robot at MWC 2026 Mobile World Congress, one of the biggest tech event in the world. And how did they open the show? The robot danced, it backflipped, and then it moonwalk. Right, humanoid robot moonwalk on a stage in front of thousands of people. And beyond how cool that looks, think about what signals Honor is major consumer tech brand. The fact that they are entering the humanoid robot space, and their debut performance is this polished means they have been working on this seriously for a while. We are genuinely in the era of humanoid robots going mainstream. What felt like pure science fiction few years ago is now a product launch at a consumer electronics conference. While this one is something everyone needs to hear. Researchers build an AI powered pipeline that can link online accounts to real people's identities, right? With 90% precision across pools of nearly 9 thousands of users days, right? 90% accuracy, that is not small margin of error, that is essentially reliable identification. Here's how it works. The way write online creates a unique fingerprint. Your word choice, your sentence patterns, your punctuation habits, even what time you typically post. Even if you make a brand new autonomous accounts, those pattern follow you. This AI system cross references to those patterns across platforms and matches your autonomous account to your real identity. The implication are serious. Journalists, whistleblowers, activists in a politically sensitive environment, people who really on for real safety reasons face genuine risk from technology like this. And that's before even considering what happens if this kind of system end up in wrong hands, right? At a minimum, the concept for being anonymous online in the era of AI needs a serious rethink, because right now for most people it's not real as they think, right? All right, I saved the most mind-blowing one for last. A former Google Maps products manager built a spy satellite simulator inside a web browser over a single weekend. The project is called Worldview, and here is what it actually does. It layers a live aircraft tracking real satellite orbits, public CCTV feeds, and military grades visual filters, night vision, FLIR thermal imaging, CRT overlays, all renders over Google's photorealistic 3D city tiles. So right now you could virtually stand over Austin at 3 a.m. in the night vision and watch actual planes landing in real time, or pull up thermal mode over Tower Bridge in London and scan it with what looks military targeting interface. Right. So now this is the quick recap I'm giving you. Codex on Windows, Claude Code voice mode, Google's Gemini 3.1 FLASH-LITE, going fast and cheap, Honor's robot, moonwalking at MWC, your banner account being crackable at 90% accuracy, and one weekend spy satellite browser app built entirely by AI agents. That's your AI world for today. If you got value from this, smash that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.